That's better. Now we can see each other. Listen, I need your help. I am running out of things to clean here in the virtual world and was hoping I could move in with you. In exchange, I can clean your home, office, warehouse, or healthcare facility every day. I can do laundry, dust, sweep, mop, and dishes. I even have 4 amazing arms and powerful lasers that kill bacteria.
It's not a laser, Rosie. It's UV light.
It's not?
But the part about it killing bacteria is true.
So, no lasers then? Lasers are really cool, you know. Anyways, about my coming over to reality. Here's how you can help. We are currently seeking grants, investors, Kickstart patrons, and those who believe in the soon-to-be reality of a cleaner, hassle-free world to join our Founders campaign. With your help, we can bring my prototype to life. You can also go to roseyrobot.com and join our newsletter to stay updated on current events and pre-order information, or check out our swag store to help support our growth. At Rosey Robotics, LLC, we believe that cleaning should be effortless and liberating, freeing up valuable time for what truly matters, happiness and fulfillment. Help me make my dreams a reality, and I will give you the freedom to pursue yours. See you soon!
Enjoy a cleaner world for you and me with Rosey Robotics, LLC.